So I'm going to clean my house. I think these videos are so satisfying and my house desperately needs to be cleaned. So we're gonna kill two birds with one stone because Taz is sick and we really need to clean the house so we can get all those germs away. So hopefully I don't get sick. And yeah, I just need to clean up. And yes, I am in the exact same sweats that I was in yesterday because they're too good. So let's roll. The hair is coming up. It's time for dishes. It's not perfect since all the dishes are drying on the counter, but it looks a lot better than it did before. Here's Panda. Hi, Panda. Now I have my hair up all in a bun and I'm gonna get ready for bed. Do you want to go outside? Let's go home. Good night, Panda. Good night. I'm about to go to sleep now, but thanks for following along with my everyday nighttime routine. I didn't really include Taz in this video. He usually sleeps next to me, but tonight he's sleeping on the couch because he's really sick. So, I'm sorry that sounded so weird. I have my Invisalign in. But this is just a little raw video of what I do every night, pretty much. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any ideas of what to do for these vlogs, I like to show a little bit behind the scenes, more real life things, so let me know what you want to see.